gotta get him first when he first starts doing it. Sneeze. Shut your mouth. No, you know what you need to get him recorded up doing? Is when he hears sirens. You need to turn on some sirens and listen to him and record them.
Yeah, that was long enough.
That's enough. Don't torture him.
Torture? What's a pup? He's so cute.
Stop it, Dylan. Stop it now. Oh. He's beautiful. He's beautiful.
It's a pup.
He's a pup. There you go, gang. You better quit it.
He wants some food.
Pup.
It's puppies. The puppy.
Pup.